Welcome, and let's talk about cryptocurrency. Of course, we all know cryptocurrency is the only investment you can invest your money and you can make over 1000% of your investment in a single day. No other investment can give you such amount of money. Take a look at gas have gained over 700% increase in the past 24 hours. And when you take a look at coin market cap, you will see that gas is actually number 3 crypto coin that is what gaining, that the top gainers. You can see gas here earning over 700% increase in just 24 hours. That is great. Well, another good thing you need to understand about gas, that gas has been listed on some of the most crypto exchange, just like they have been listed on Uniswap V3, they have listed on xt.com, Hotbit, Lbank, and others. One thing about gas is that I hope this token will be listed on Kucoin and Gas.io soon, because I discovered that I did a research that once a coin is being listed on Kucoin and Gas.io, believe me, that coin sooner will be listed on other top crypto exchanges like crypto.com, Binance, and Coinbase. So now remember, if you take a look at here, although guys don't have much Twitter followers, they only have 35,700 Twitter followers, and they have been growing every day. Their community have been increasing. When you take a look at this candlestick, you will see that gas itself have actually gained a lot of bullish in the past few days, and we hope that will continue in the coming days. And remember, watch out for gas, because anything might happen with this token in the few days to come. Though they are ranked number 2,868 according to coinmarketcap.com, and according to CoinGecko, they are number 1,394 crypto coins. So watch out for gas, please. Really watch out for gas. But remember, this video is not a financial advice, but only provided for information purpose. So kindly do your own research before making any investment. Remember to subscribe to our channel and then turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video. So watch out for gas, guys, as this coin keep growing day by day.